I'm gonna fix this weld.
Alright,
Right
get the
here.
hell out of there so I can work on it.
Oh, here comes the big one.
There we go, got that.
Getting this old bastard out. He done retired.
Did it leave a mark?
Yeah, not too black marks.
Alright, now,
No.
right now, you can put it on there and be fine, it'll work just fine. But when you get the new,
Bushing.
bushing,
And there we go. It's in and fixed. Look at that. As good as new. Just about. So I thought I'd make you guys this little video real quick and fixing this. So got my buddy to weld me a piece in there for me. So hope you guys enjoyed this. We'll catch you guys next one. Thanks for always watching.